Ano yung try lang. Kasi, ako, ganito, dito.
This event's proudly organized by Rodeo Inc. and of course with the benefit of the Ford Bonifacio Development Foundation Incorporated. I think we just made a lot of people hungry and thirsty at the same time.
Those that we mentioned will be present in your loot bags later on after you run. So yes, I know I'm just as excited as you are. So after you run sa Race Village, there will be tents that would say which kilometer are you going to line up for your loot bags. Along syempre with the very
Have fun, stay safe.
Here we go.
15 seconds.
Right.
Here we go, listen to the beat, this is the countdown.
Our top finishers, of course.
8,
Those are going to podium, please.
5,
Front.
4,
3, 2, 1,
go!
16K kilometer runners, 60 kilometers. Put your hands up. Wait.
Good morning.
Hands up, everybody. Runners, come on. Yes, looking nice.
Good morning.
Init po kayo. Have a great run, everyone.
First time runners, welcome. Returning athletes, welcome back.
The ones at the back, can I hear you guys? Magandang umaga.
Congratulations to our first time 60K runners.
Kilometer 1.
1K. Walk time.
Kilometer 2. That's a British International School. Force nagpala to.
Ay, tubig po.
Tubig ba yan? Ay, ang hirap yan, nakaganyan.
Kunin ko po.
Paano mo?
Bakit yan? Ano yan?
Okay.
Ayan, up. Tubig.
3 kilometers. Layo-layo pa yung ikutin natin. 4 kilometers. Out. Five kilometers. Sa Uptown Mall. Six kilometers. Shoutout naman! Nakahabol ka! Ayan na ako.
Ka rin dito, hindi mo alam kung pataas sa patak.
Yun nga eh. Hingal ako eh. Hoarding. Hoarding.
Ito lang yung ako. yung strata ko. Kulang yung
7 kilometros. 7 kilometros, mi amigo.
Ang dali, ang dali.
Vamos! 8 kilometros. Lakad lang kami.
Maliwa tayo. Maliwa tayo. Ano yan?
Naku, nakalimutan mong start yung ano,
Kulang lang.
Strava.
Kulang lang po.
9 kilometers. Ten kilometers. Mamaya, hingi tayo dun.
Kaya.
Yan. 7 kilometers. Pababa. Yan. So yung pabalik natin yung 12. Kasi doon sa may safe yung 13. Marami sang view. 12 kilometers. Yan, ahon. Eh, 13 kilometers. Yan ako. Medyo pa akong dito. Kaya lakad lang. Yan. Kuha kami ng C+. Dapat isang kahon kinuha natin eh. Hindi ko na kunin yung pink.
Buko.
Ayan. Ay. Tatakbo pa ba tayo nito? Kumuha ng buko. Kumuha ng buko.
Walang buko, walang sitla.
Kasi in-ording pa yung makin dito sa ano. Sugapan dati. Hakot. Basta tayo'y magkasama, laging may umaga kay ganda. Last 2 kilometers. Lakad lang kami dahil ang dami namin dala. Last one. Yeah. Last 1 kilometers. Lakad-lakad lang. Two hours and 12 minutes.
Congrats runners! Good morning!
Congrats po!
Ang saya ni Alex!
Let's go. $16 p.m. Yan. Ayos.
Congrats po.
2 hours and 12 minutes. Not bad yung 12 minutes na lakad. Yeah. Finisher. Tapos na kami. Kuha lang kami ng mga loots. The loots. Till next fun run ulit. Teka muna.